السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ پیارے بچوں، آج کی کلاس میں ہم یاد کریں گے سبحانی قاعدہ۔ پڑھیے سبق نمبر 9 تنوین، لائن نمبر 5۔ 2 زبر، 2 زیر، 2 پیش کو تنوین کہتے ہیں۔ تنوین والے حرف کو غنہ اصلی کے ساتھ پڑھتے ہیں۔ تعوذ، اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم۔ تسمیہ، بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ قاف 2 زبر قن، کاف 2 پیش کن، وا 2 زبر ون، ذال 2 پیش ون، زا 2 زبر زن، را 2 پیش رن۔ چلے اب ہم اس کا رواں دہراتے ہیں۔ پڑھیے قن، کن، ون، ظن، زن، رن۔ چلے اب ہم اس سبق کو اپنے قاعدے میں دہراتے ہیں۔ پڑھیے سبق نمبر 9 تنوین۔ تنوین 3 ہے، 2 زبر، 2 زیر، 2 پیش کو تنوین کہتے ہیں۔ تنوین کو غنہ اصلی کے ساتھ پڑھتے ہیں۔ تعوذ، اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم۔ تسمیہ، بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ قاف 2 زبر قن، کاف 2 پیش کن، وا 2 زبر ون، ذال 2 پیش ظن، زا 2 زبر زن، را 2 پیش رن۔ قن، کن، ون، ظن، زن، رن۔ ٹھیک ہے بچوں، اب آپ اس کو دہرائیے اور اس کے ساتھ ساتھ اپنے پچھلے اسباق کی بھی دہرائی لازمی کیجیے۔ صدق اللہ العظیم۔ فی امان اللہ۔
Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are going to start a new poem and this is our book All for Us. Here is page number 8. Title of the poem is People on the Bus. Now let's recite the poem. 1, 2, 3. Let's start. People on the bus go up and down, all around the town. People on the bus go up and down, all around the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, all around the town. The horn on the bus go pip-pip-po, 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 all around the town. The baby on the bus cries wee, 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 all around the town. The mummy on the bus says shh, 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 all around the town. Now see, here is a bus. All the peoples are sitting inside the bus and they are reciting this poem. Now you have to recite this poem at least 5 times, okay? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Today we are going to do comprehension and I have already explained you what is comprehension. This is page number 98 from your EL book. This is activity number 52. Comprehension, a new pet. What is the title of the poem? What is the title of the story? A New Pet. Okay, now this story you have already read in your previous pages. Now let's read this caption. You have read and enjoyed the story. Now write a caption for these picture. Choose from. Now captions are written here and pictures are given. You have to choose the correct caption for the picture. See, here is a picture of Jamila with her dog. Now what is she doing and what is she saying? I love my dog, said Jamila. So take the caption from here. I love my dog, said Jamila. Now see, here is dad. He's saying bad dog. Why he's saying bad dog? Because the puppy smashed the eggs. So you have to choose this from here. Caption: bad dog, said dad. Here is mom. She is also saying bad dog because he smashed the eggs. Bad dog, said mom. Again you will take the caption given above. Now page number 99, the same work you have to do which you have done in page 98. You have to see the picture and write the caption taking from here. The puppy smashed the eggs. What the puppy has done here? He smashed the eggs. So here is written, the puppy smashed the eggs. Now here is another picture. The puppy ran to the sheep. See, what is puppy doing? He ran to the sheep. Now what he has done? He got the lost sheep. Oh, see, he got the lost sheep. You have to choose it from here. Good dog, said dad. Now at the end what dad said? Good dog, because puppy got the lost sheep. In this way you will write all the caption taking from here and write just like me, giving one finger space after each word. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Now here is page number 28. Let's do some more reading from our ORC book. Write date and day. Now hold your pencil and keep your pencil under each word as I am doing. Now let's start. I can walk on the log. Okay. Can you walk on the log, Tim? Yes, I can, Tom. I can jump. I will jump on the log. I will walk on the log. Can we jump on the big log in the mud, Tim? I cannot jump on the big log in the mud, Tom. I will get mud on my leg. I cannot get mud on my leg. I can jump on it, Tim. Look, I can. No, you cannot. Now in this way you will read and let me explain you this page. Now here is a boy named Tim. What he's saying I can walk on the log. See, here is a log and he's saying I can walk. I can jump also. See, he's saying I can jump. I can walk and I can jump. Now he's asking from another boy named Tom. Can we jump on the big log in the mud, Tim? I cannot. He's saying no, I cannot. On the big log in the mud, Tom. What happened? I will get mud on my leg. That's why I don't want to jump. I cannot jump. I can jump on it, Tim. Look, I can. No, you cannot. Now, in this way, you will read this page at least 5 times. Thank you.